And adia baako a obi beka say ema make a yes na manage ho ne say ema ma ni bi ni akukuduro me adia ye me fe I am yensape. Amen. I like only 3 things about men. My man must be bold. My man must be hardworking. My man must be visionary. And he has all and even more. So I said yes, and today see where the Lord has brought us. Yeah, call, you know, ampa omo enyi omani. Omo nso e kan say. Eya sempa sebi Uda susa. Me sample me this 60 years kran ka me worry.
Okay.
Take it.
Okay.
For me, I believe in living. Even if I have one day, let me live it. My journey is my journey. My journey is not your journey. Let me finish my race.
You may kiss the bride.
Aha.
What him say? Bema ebe foul. Na udi tum. I appreciate it. Bema na say why you here. Na owu na be ware kra na ho. Any diem no. You go to.
Bema na busia.
You were nobody. But you do do.
Abusia last week yeah it in the weekend you won't send me videos be any pictures near the go ewo media ne so ye pa ne nyina the late John Kumah ne Apostle Lillian Sabrede one day John Kumah bi memu wo de Lillian Kwei wo no and as Sabrede wasan enya ne hoka fofofo wa ware ne abusia videos no pop up na manfo sha se wo mo kasa se sisi ya ne kunu efri mu ne ma me yesu ana wo su ye na se nyina se na property John bi na wo de ye ne kunu bi krampo kire se papa no as wo ne no aka se bi su kwa ebisa se afi baako entemu ne de ka me yes na John Kumah tiase no papa na wo didi gu na account man na nyina questions anaga na fo ebisa after say video no any aware no hu videos nyina pop up na busia se be kaya last year by March 2024 na Ghana ya asempa nyina John Kumah na wo no esan MPP ni esan deputy finance minister de ma NPP amonyoko no wo no ka enchine edigu ye ye Ghana fo yaw ye pass average na iguso hwehwe ade a beje ne nkwa edifiri ne sem e ma asofo bi kwa fa ho beje shine wo social media ne so na bi address wo mo de hyenkom ne ade wi achi no na ye ba bonte be tress ni kun ankasa na yare bi wo no ho de ntenye sofo bi ankom hye na na akoba obusia ye fa nkọ ye fa mra ne nyina no ka me ese afi baako aba betwem ama bo so me nkono asan abeguso akama mra mu de enka bakuna yo ne de ya afi baako se kwa ma no mo nche da anya na afi baako sa ene wo da ne to 6 months pe oye kuna na na afi papa ne tuntum agu wo no akwa kopa ne fita bi de fra no ato na bra bo so na so pa ma mi de ultimate na se afi baako ne amoso me enkono sabre wo trese ne Ghana fo eka wo mebo ne so bo wo ma trese na wo no nikunu no ne nyina wate na so emfa ne ho ya wo kwa kodi adanse wa sorry dem no wa kire mo kwan of fast wa odishi abema no ene bebi enne nyame de wo ma beduntu wo ma na eka se maame na se na wo ni bema ne deda wo ne nya kasase deda aza na wo digu na account ne nyina no maame ne de ho muaye e de aba too much GHS ni best se baka ko video na ye kono emi subscribe to ya no wakai se wo de be on be kan wo sa no upload ne to ne first person ya wo sa ebidi kan akabusu me yenko tie maame abra na wo di adanse oni ni newly found husband
na said their mom start here no say I was courageous but she was also bold. Very bold. Now, I think so can aside. We are seeing a lot on social media. It doesn't bother any of us. The words of God alone is what we look for. Obia ne said Yoshia Nedo. Na me wa akwentum na me wo. That was September. And Apostle Ak, Prophet Ak, on the program waha. A friend me, I already have contact with him. And a friend me say, I sorry what Ghana nyina kamuha bumuso moti program be a friend no Ghana America Youth Development in Business. Our money America for boom. But looking at it, they decided to appoint me as the president of the organization and member Ghana. So I have to rush and come back to Ghana. Now, your meetings atwa so. Now, some of your Crawford or America, they have to come on a visit. It's never say a program. A program near you know, Apostle can say, Prophet can say, or ne, Madam, ewo, my wife, ewo.
I like it.
Meeting. So Obe decided say we move the meeting we have to do to Onone office. Now honestly, you drew office, so I think around 14th of September. You drew office, no. Now honestly, the air canning my mind was not there.
Okay. Okay.
Eti Edru me sooner make asano na afi no honestly me name baby asem na start so I was say me keka me die bom na me ka and me pie ne koye na ye wie ya ye sane form no na me ka che pie se pie ade e kan nyina manti o ma me ne je ne ho but the first person to discourage me was my PA.
Hey. Satan is
must forget emfa enye djuma yenko so ye de ye pieja empenifo no ba me na madam ne me wife ne me PH ana me ti say osi o ade omoye no ebeboa ye djuma nti enke be yi a je president nama ehwa na me tape na me se me wa ha and then I gave the number. Me ma number no say na number e de ma me ne church number. Na me friend, na me taxi, no respond. Me friend, me taxi, no respond. Na PA na saje atumu say makacho say jaye mfa.
Blue tick.
Ba me tina se eti
and ade ba ko a obi beka say ema make a yes na manage ho ne say ema ma ni bi ni akukuduro. Me ade aye me fe. Aye me ensape. Amen. I like only 3 things about men. My man must be bold. My man must be hardworking. My man must be visionary. And he has all and even more. So I said yes, and today see where the Lord has brought us. And I told
you
him,
may kiss the bride.
You can't even hold my hand in public except and by the grace of God.
You may kiss the bride.
Tia de Nyankopon wase. Say wadom yen na waboa yen na me pese me dia seda kese enso. Edema abusia me maame ene me papa side nyina ye call ye no ampa omo enyi omani omo nso e kan say eya sempa sabi uda susa mi sampo a mi di 60 years kran ka me ware.
Okay,
take it.
Okay.
For me, I believe in living. Even if I have one day, let me live it. My journey is my journey. My journey is not your journey. Let me finish my race.
You may kiss the bride.
Aha. Enti ejami ko hu yen no. Omo nso e de akoma pata e chiri. Ya de papa nso ko o ka kire omo se. Ono onim se ani wo ho. Na obi etete ono watimi aba ne agye atuma osra omo nya ne ntemma no. Na obi amfa e kire amaje. Ai na nyame adom omo so de akoma pa be ma abusuan so saa mi ko fie ho. In fact, ba ko nso ana me hwe. Ene sa asewa obesra kire me. Asewa be ma fili se me ye ba. Na obeji matum. Na o ma me re hu me ho. Na me koto ante ya nso me hu se oh we de wiemfo se me maame a o de anigie ene wo fe so enti e ba na msi o we de afa de otim koji date cause akanfo nwuma ye nware be ma ye ware abusua enti wo kwa abusua bi mu a esese wo hwe omudi mi na wo hu se ebebo obetimi anya good man but if the family is not
Entabusia Lady Apostle Ninchemu ya wodi abekwa fa so wodi hia be ma no eno na ye kwa koti e dia ba na so ka me ese nkopie mu e wo John Kumah abusuafo na abusia wo mu bo afunyi pa ya aware ya be wo mu bo endo so ya wo mo kwa e allege se e bi e betimi aba se abra na omumia be ma John Kumah eti ase no na maami oni babranti aware na nei e wo kasese bi de abusia ensem nyina John Kumah ni nua bema ana ne nua bema one god atwetwe nkomo na sei ene wono so e kan na woda e yewa wodi ye e de fa aware hu edi e de tre
1 week wie no ene e be sie no on the 18th May 2024 okay until 19th na Thanksgiving service no e wi a ebusia betena se bubu kan ya de fa so de ye de May no akwa na chi enti ni widowhood we no ebe hye ase June to calculate last year June this year June fancy this year June no and na yin year dey be
so say
June
ka waye ni kunan afi no
ayawie nti wo sese a ye wo December mu aware and na 27 and na 20th mebwa so less than 6 months ushia be
man no steady be man no ana bia
ushia the time ben we shia be ma wonim no dada no kra no counselors be catch us say what pen tem kra ware no should it be more and less than 6 months what pen tem ware kra should it be less than 6 months.
So you don't believe sir she just met the man say after the widowhood we hands and what
clear evidence said the man was there. Yes, because when you are celebrating performing that widowhood right or affection for marriage crown you consider
okay
yes you are shocked. And two, the godson obi wo wa ye bema wo ye okunu so won wu because of treatment or the year be
or the man
but Lydian and share on one tribute
how kind
o kan ye baby a John Kumah fa ni free ye any baby o ni ko duru ye enu ametua I now confirm say John Kumah one spending even 0.9% of the hard labor. I'm telling you, a woman with 6 kids. 6 kids. What him say? Bema ebe foul. Na udi tu. I appreciate it. Bema na say why you here. Na owu na be ware kra na ho. Eni diem no. You go to
Bema na busia.
Oh, me cry, me worry you no omo cry. Oh, worry. Because you know what the man has done. You were nobody. But you what be do? And at ye, Bema na worry no. Wo hwe Bema ni su. Ni nyina so, ne stature, ni nyanya no a. E di John Kumah de. I said, ne stature no. Ni bibia de John Kumah. I said, that tells me that it's will be here fasting. Now they call them more pa, the favorite food buy more. One quarter me see why ye pon wo. No quarter be so no pon or ye fasting you why they would be what's fasting no. Oh say this oh ye fasting bomb pie you. Oh chile come. I bomb pie. O favorite food ni anwa mo. Or pot of so be fasting 6. To be quarter be so we am di. What's fasting no?
Yes I say.
Because o hwe be ma no the taste no awanyra no the taste of bema wo pe no eno an wakofa less than 6 months after where you know
ebinom say obehia bema na aboa ne ministry no so ya asaf maame
oni asaf maame fo a oni asori wo build asori to say asori John Kumah si ama no weja ho no wakoho da betimi aka say what any CCC na ya ben ko he baby aso ni si ne landa John Kumah je to kwan ho de ye sa yi no ema the woman has enjoyed the hard labor of a certain man called John Kumah. Until for getting married now no me hunu say you were trying to prove a point be say bia na John Kumah ti ase no na bibi koso ayeye nim ebia na odo no na ni ho because bem oba bi ani ho a bem no be do sa level we na less than 6 months after what performing ebusuafo ya wo no ewo mu no onfa bibi nhuru wo mo because aware ne ye ndigi ade onfa bibi nhuru wo mo ne ade nti no ya na omoma brebem sabe obi kwa kasa bia nipa de kura wuwo na ne ntia ase no be me awa ni na no ono ye de be e kan bo na de na wo pentem kura kwa wa we
ti kura na be ma afrim Ho adwendwene ana bi.
Ti o consider ni nyina. Na de nti ama lenient de na ba be ye we no ne se. Ye nyina ye ni tua controversies a eba de wuo ne ho mente me ho ase eba ye. Abusuafo craft na they know say John Kumah nguni kra wuo. They know.
Say na de dwa say ebi aye obi na poison no na politics mo.
Abusuafo ni nim say omo de hye no wa nguni kra wuo.
Politics said no.
Yes, because John Kumah was a strong man. Many the last meeting or by best office he didn't come up. He was a strong man. Very strong man energetic. And only just some months be an ode called that TBN. And to all lenient crowd here, there was in some manner because you granted an interview at the early stage of your husband's demise. Oba who could not say ebusuafo kra adwa yente ase na woni asase radio for interview konani ba kra rezi woni Nigel kra na so ope woni ade anankofo as smart mu nyina so beki kan bi ani ade knowing all these things no it was too early. Now yen hwe date no in the year 2004 na July
2024
2024 sorry.
Okay.
2024 na July March. Now before that no many John Kumah din komo no time at the end MPs our man and now person gba me here to translator so there are issues parent no where you say oba bring me 200,000 na dey ato but no Germany that time to catch them say oba 6 March.
Okay,
the 6 March no be ye 6 March na let's can what the amame inti 6 March ne nkofo kraba studio ebe ka say John Kumah free Germany aye dey be abanti no o fie to beba 6 March omumra that was 6 March day no e ko twen John Kumah wa amba mo so wantimi am free fie anya dey be amana ne honam hyedan ko yi timi wo wa ball be 12 o'clock. That was 7th March. Me can't have a see some young quiet John Kumah fast a woo ye. Data or the woo ye. Any data and every year nigga worry. Near will be an agent from near say yeah.
okay.
In the 7th March 2024, and now me will go on the now about 12 o'clock. You're so mind a frame was bozu. Matthias Simbi na bomode na ko party office na ko he John Kumah mate say we free ti mi wura frame me no na about 12 e na me call party office ho e ko do o be 3 e say esun ko until on the 27th if anything
on the 7th and
if anything there be so 7th
okay
7th March 2020 if anything 4 until 27th March no any 1 week
this o moko akotena no moko akotena be ma no ho ana
na fie wa
ono abu fie o
ono e ho ana obekọ na himfa bi e ho ana obekọ so ho
ina sa de nkware yanim na be ma be fie o abre ba pa fie mu chaide se be ye den
efiti enu abesi na ho masua nyansa bebre because emre bi me kiro court bi se so ye be ma na pese da ahwe ma esi yi a Mama respect you or awful by willing all the assets in the name of your wife. So that said, or baby yini, no who say car we mammy demon no. Now me pay your baby mammy or their mammy. Sabia oma or you don't cast out bedding with you. But Lillian, dear, why ye yama? My name you know.
Hey,
oh yes. My name you know. It is not about ministry. We should share videos be actually say. Beman kwa wako preach you as what them crapping. Wako preach you crapping. In fact, me wako knowing John Kumah well no. Any kind of faso epes wo bo abusua de kodu baabi. Betimi aka say John Kumah ko nwu. Ko nyanwi because now he was under treatment. Now wako second I wako third one according to information me wono. No. Nana Baumia person born in send running mate. It was done deal. nti or my information be says a bemwa a better party of just on because just a man's when idea a running mate. Enti not 6 March no free Germany bagana no. There was a rumor next and home fan. So the Bayanko phone call bid this running mate, you know. Jenny Oba. Near who says Lano. Wait, no, they buy. That is why he was rushing to the airport. Now, ain't fan of plane because ain't a ambulance speed at Nico Accra. And in the plane, I read yes, said never come. Now, got to us all. Nay, and so who know the jail.
Na yen hwe ye ken be ma itiase nkwaransia ana obebo makon ma no ahwe wo be ma na afiri mu obe ayi kunani ebi akon homabo na didiem nkwaran hwem kura na ho kire wo ti onya be ma we ba no no so abeba akon ma kakra de aboa obe
Because akon homa ben
so obe ho kire ba
oh fa be
se be ma ohwe no no abo na afiri mu ti se ye komo
Lillian timi nye ungrateful. I know her as will be our grateful person.
Okay.
Because already very nice tribute. And for all we know, no yes you know. John Kumah nina bro. Oh there John Kumah nina bro. There be. Now me say go to Weja. Na ko head tribute Lillian no ankasa. Ekin kan ye fabra mushia ye. So hunu say school kra John Kumah force no man ko bie. Na hwe japade a wode agya na so dan ne kra esi wagya ho no na hwe so di na kra ti se ba se japade wode hwe nkra no kra de anka wode I'm not here to expose John Kumah set a minimum hwe but yenim bibi enye sikanti
ebi se ya na ma no omo ware no mu jai se nso a mema omo kọ wa wo mo no ya na omo nso ba omo be fun ne ma na omo be ha ma no ebi ndimi nsi kona no do bro nim ti so bi so obe wa na bi se what is japade be ntidi o keka
the godson but in can crash was a marriage you know a barter trade. Marriage is a barter trade. Marriage say obi kuta je is going to come central market now what's the cash obodo na ko pay biato e do that time no a powerful negotiation udi agro e da djuma bediu.
So entene abusia aware ba ko ehon sem se bebre John Kumah ne nwa be masem ya wo kan no eno na yakwa akoti e de abaraga fo bi ene maami e ya adwene e kire se body no be firewood entenso kwan so ennante sabre oyo ba wo ye ministry se ebe ye ne yentenetere ye za wo no so se ne of maami na o kina oni we nam ha adeche oni we nam ha nti wonya no so ene ne de ba ko bi atena ho anka no ano ne bi so kas e kire se yetie entremu ya be ne nwa be mai e de aba na yesesen se wo yes of maami nti oni be de ne kroje afia afi ba ko se ka be mai kro wo kire se there be wodi kuna ni wi ansa na wo hia na almost se ya se aye entam dodo intene na kasasie no se ne wo mo kire no e wo hodeda enu nti enene aware akwakobosa na so busua se ne etie bia no waware se de oye meses ayikui mesra se obeja comment e wo comment section ho e de amami all the social media handles no e too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na fofo so e bia hwe that good e na me so